Welcome back to Things That Fold. Today we are going to find out what is inside our mystery package that arrived all the way from Spain. I know you have been anticipating this if you've been following our latest blog post. Let's take a look. Oh, it's a folding helmet, and it looks like we have the Closca helmet, the loop. Let's take a look at what's inside. Here's the back of the box first, if anyone is curious. It looks nicely packaged, something you could give as a gift if you wanted to. Okay. And here's the helmet. Inside the box, there's also a small instruction booklet that you can see here. And let's remove the tissue paper. Oh, this looks nice. Wow. I don't know how the color's appearing on your screen because everyone's screen is a little bit different. But this is a beautiful shade of gray, very high-end looking. Let's pop it open. Ooh, you see on the back that we have the white detailing, and here's your first look at the loop. We will be reviewing this in detail later on, but we just wanted to do our unboxing for now so you could see what arrived all the way from Spain, and stay tuned for more.